The Rural Innovation Hub is a purpose-built facility supporting the development and testing of new ideas to improve rural healthcare.
Municipalities are not normally working with health authorities or health hubs or medical professionals, but this is a new initiative for the town of Grand Falls, Windsor, and we're really glad we became a partner in this.
These partners now come together and can give something that's never been seen here, never been done here. So we can really create, new paths forward, and the Rural Health Hub is evidence of that.
Once we started, we got excited and we started adding things and thinking about all the possibilities here.
To advance the Hub's mission of healthcare innovation, the space features a state-of-the-art simulation lab for education and training, while also serving as a human factors testing environment for innovation and research.
As new technologies come into play, as new medications come into play, new guidelines, new procedures, simulation allows for us to keep abreast of those changes. They'll be able to get their hands on new equipment, try it in simulation scenarios, become competent in that equipment, and then take it into their practice.
Now we have this fabulous space where people can come, not only just our staff, but even our community partners, RCMP, fisheries, wildlife can come and have simulated situations where you can come and practice in a safe environment.
Having a dedicated space that's connected to rural Newfoundland is important for identifying challenges and coming up with unique solutions here in Newfoundland and Labrador.
Grand Falls, Windsor is very, very proud, and we look forward to continuing our relationship with the Rural Innovation Health Hub and Newfoundland and Labrador Health Services to make this hub the best it can be.